nothing. Then there was me. Some people called me God, some Allah, some Thor, and some Zeus. But I like to call myself the Hall Monitor. But that's not important right now. What is important are these doors. There's one behind you, there's one behind me. These doors separate two distinct civilizations, who have not been in contact with each other until now.
Rookie, come with me. We've got a situation. Scotty's outside.
All right. Oh, there you guys are. Took you long.
Scotty, what's going on out here?
Someone got through the doors.
Who are they?
They're the ones who got through the doors.
Wait a minute. If they got through the doors, you were supposed to be the one guarding the doors. How'd they get in?
Who are they?
From the other side.
Wait, how are they from the other side? You were supposed to be guarding the door.
Well, you see, I got bored and hungry, so I ate a taco.
You didn't.
Hey, it was just a quick bathroom break.
You never leave the door unattended.
Guys, chill out, chill out. Scotty, you mean to tell me that...
Yes, they're from the other side.
What do I have to do?
Whoa there, Rook. Slow down. You're new here. You don't have to take them all on.
Yeah, man, not even I could do that, and I'm fan-freaking-tastic.
Look, man, this is way above your pay grade. Let us take care of it.
No, they've invaded our land. I'm going to stop them. Now, are you with me, or do I have to do it alone?
Alone.
Fine. Of course we'll help you. We can't let you get killed.
Well, I mean, we could.
Shut up.
Fine. What do you need us to do?
We need to get to the center. I'm guessing that woman over there is the ringleader.
Yeah, her name's Esther. She's the worst of them all.
All right, then. Let's go say hello. Why did she come here? Why is she doing this?
She craves chaos. It's all the other side wants.
Move! Retreat! Keep moving!
She's heading for the door. She's gonna try to open them.
You can't win! Quick!
Scotty's dead.
Cover me.
Tango. We gotta keep going.
No. Send me down there. You can't let her open the doors. You gotta keep going.
No, I'm not going to leave you.
Go!
Hello? I was wondering how long it would take you to find me.
Who are you?
I'm the Hall Monitor. I live here, an intermediary. A purgatory, if you would.
Nice place you have here.
Prefer minimalistic decor. But that's not why you're here, is it?
No, a girl from the other side, Esther, is here.
Yes, she passed through the doors to get to your world.
But why? What does she want from us?
If the doors remain open, then your two civilizations will combine.
But they can't mix. We remain separate for a reason. Their whole world is destructive and they'll ruin us. The doors must stay closed and she must be stopped.
She has returned to her world. You could pursue her and end this. Or you could return home and end your pain and suffering. It is your choice. You must decide.
No, I can't let her win. I'm not going to let her turn my world to ruin. This ends now.
I wish you luck.
so much division.
Are you talking to me?
Our worlds have been divided for centuries. Our lack of knowledge led our minds to fill in the blanks with distorted perceptions of what we believed to be true. We believed evil and darkness awaited us past those doors. But now that we're here, who's to say which side was evil and which was righteous? Together we can live in peace. It's true that I've made mistakes, but do mistakes make a person evil? Is a person flawed with good intentions, or inherently evil with a few good deeds to their name? Is a society utopian or dystopian? Are we all going to heaven or hell?
You actually believe that our society will be better by combining our worlds?
The only way to find out is to open the doors. Permanently.
You're insane.